Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut on PC. And in this video, I will show you how to increase the audio volume of your video file in CapCut on PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you make your video clip active. Then after you make the video clip active, so like for instance, this particular video right here, I want to increase the audio volume. And for that, let's play the video. So you can see the video audio volume here is very low. So how do we increase the audio volume of this particular video so at least people can hear more loudly? Okay, so what we want to do right here, there are multiple ways by which you can use to increase the audio volume of your video in CapCut PC. One of the first ways is to copy file right here, the timeline. Make sure your cursor turns to something like this and drag. The more you drag, the more the audio is going to increase. So this is one of the first way. So let's go ahead and play the audio.
Easy access.
So you can see now that the audio volume increasingly. So another way to increase the audio volume, I'm going to press Ctrl X to come back to the normal audio file. So if I play the audio file again, you can see the audio volume is very much low. So another way to increase the audio volume of your video file in CapCut is that you have to come to the video property from the sidebar right here. So this is the video section, and then you have to make sure you navigate to audio section. Then from the audio section right here, you have volume. So go ahead and drag this button right here. The more you drag, then you find out that your audio is being increasing right here. So continue to drag until you are satisfied with the kind of result. Then go ahead and play it again. So you can see the audio as increasing right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you